this is Luke Total Parts Pro. Today with 2022 LDV D90, stock number 7264. It's ran from 11th 2017 to the 4th 2024. Has an SV9A 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the SV9A 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front 19-inch factory only maggot tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 19-inch factory only maggot tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory only maggot tyre, right rear right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 19-inch factory only maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,